3, 2, 1!
What is this piece of junk wood? We got a toilet right here, right?
Toilet!
A toilet!
Hi everybody, it's me Danny from Slav's Adventures team, and today we have a kind of a special guest here. So basically, in the previous video we got this very vehicle from under the water, and I have decided to start the most interesting and fascinating project on this channel. We are going to turn this vehicle into a motorhome. Not only that, I will invest only $100 into the creation of it. So the first step is we need to isolate heat inside of the vehicle because it's very cold in our country. Today it's like minus 30 degrees Celsius, and we need to accumulate as much heat and warmth as possible. And after we will do some preparations, we will show this project to Slav, and probably he will like it, and we will go on some kind of adventure with him. And when we will finish the... Why did they do it? Why did they cut the front of it? Probably the car stayed underwater for so long that it all got rusty and there was no use of it, probably. I don't know. So, but we'll work with what we have. And what we will have instead of the front part of the car is going to be a little surprise for you, so stay tuned. We're almost there. Don't open your eyes.
Okay,
it's a surprise. It's a surprise.
Yeah, I love surprises.
Okay.
That's my favorite thing ever.
Okay, so we're here now. On one, you open your eyes. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
What is this piece of junk wood? Oh my gosh!
What do you mean? This is that's a motorhome.
What?
Motorhome. So like you can drive it and stay inside of it and live there.
Oh my gosh! This is the truck that I got from the underwater.
Yeah, that's it.
I was risking so much. I used so much equipment to get the thing out from the water, and you turned my super truck into that?
I mean, I thought you'd like it. You like all the crazy stuff and something
I like
that.
crazy stuff, but this is just it's a wooden house.
It's not wooden. It's just insulation. Like there is the car inside of it.
Yeah, I know. I see. Oh my gosh, that looks not crazy. This looks terrible. What is that? What's on your mind? What you've been thinking about when you was building that thing? Are you crazy or what, Danny?
I thought you'd like it. That's it.
How can I like that?
But you're always doing some kind of crazy stuff, crazy cars.
Oh my
and
gosh.
so on.
That's the entrance, I suppose?
Yeah.
Are you sure that thing could be called a motor house?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Take a look. There is a sofa there.
Sofa?
You may sit down, even sleep there. Oh, and there is some kind of a table so you can maybe cook something and eat there.
Oh my gosh, that thing is terrible. Okay, let me at least try to ride it.
Well, yeah, maybe you'll like it. Try to drive it, and everything's gonna be alright, I think.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try. Maybe I like it. Okay, Danny, let's test your motorhome. Lay down, lay down. Let's see what you've got. Come on, Danny. You made me this thing, right?
Yep.
So let's test it out. Here we got some gas.
Don't be careful with that.
Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, that's good. I love it. Do you like it? By the way, now we can prepare some food. So we got.
I don't know. I feel endangered right now.
Ah, are you really?
Yeah.
Sofa,
Blanket. But there is a gas right in front of me.
and by the way,
And the
here
battery.
we got the gas, the battery, and the fire. What could go wrong?
Nothing. Really.
So we got some sofa here, right? Yeah. And as I understood, if we move sofa here, we got a toilet right here, right?
Toilet.
A toilet. I'm asking you, блядь, you build it.
Yes. Yes, toilet.
What is wrong with you, Dad?
Nothing.
Okay, let's keep going. We should start it up and make a little ride, I don't know.
Yeah, because I asked you to test it.
Okay, actually, the temperature now is minus 50 degrees Celsius. Write down your weather and where from you're watching this video. What you've just done, Daddy? What's wrong with you? That was your meal.
I don't need that. Like it looked and smelled terrible.
I tried to cook for you and you just throw it away.
But that wasn't pleasant. That wasn't good. Okay? Why did you try to cook in the first place?
Because it's very important to have convenient kitchen in the
Yeah.
motorhome, right?
Yeah, but it's not convenient.
Because you did it. What's your problem, Danny? Okay, at least let's try to ride it and see.
Yeah, I hope
it works.
But anyway, how did you find the kitchen? Is it all right for you?
It's perfect, Danny.
Perfect.
Just perfect. Okay, Danny, let's start this ride.
So, how do you like it so far?
I didn't get that clear. It's too windy because of the window right in front of my face.
Oh
A
yeah,
lot of wine here.
that's a designer decision.
My face is getting frozen.
That's fresh air. That's okay. That's good, Bob. I hope so.
Oh my God.
What?
Oh my gosh, Danny!
Jesus!
How did that happen? Oh my gosh, are you alright?
I hurt my knee pretty bad. Yeah! Put it down, idiot!
Oh my gosh, it looks like your house is burning down.
I mean,
I think we need to call firewalkers or something like that.
firewalkers.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So
Jesus.
your house is not super safe. Does it have an insurance?
Insurance? What are you talking about? We just built it in our garage.
A few moments later.
But yeah, anyway, how was the ride though?
The ride was fireball.
Like in the end, you seem to enjoy it, right?
I'm enjoying this type of stuff. You was right. Maybe during this day I was in not right mood, but all in all, I enjoyed it. Thank you, Danny.
Because you had a chance to burn something.
That's my favorite thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, I don't know. Maybe we will do something else with this kind of projects. I mean, like motorhomes or something like that.
To burn
Maybe.
it. To burn it down one more time or what?
To drown it.
Oh, maybe. It depends on
maybe,
you guys.
Yeah. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and let us know in the comments what you think about the
future of this
future
project.
Of this car. Yeah. So it was me, Danny. It was Slav.
Bye bye.
Hopefully we're still alive. See you in the next video.
That was easy. Bye.